All right, good morning, everybody. Let's get into your forecast. Well, it's pretty quiet on our satellite radar. We got low pressure off to the north and a stationary boundary, actually a couple of them. And we do have some rain showers and thunderstorms in some of the northern parts of Alabama, or Arkansas, rather. And we also have, if you go far enough north, you'll run into some snow and ice. Luckily, not the case here in East Texas. We're going to watch this very closely. This will actually make a break for the north and then make a return into Wednesday with a chance for some maybe heavy thunderstorms. So we'll watch that very closely. For this morning and into the next few hours, got a few clouds overhead. Those will turn into partly cloudy skies. We'll see a little bit more sunshine by the afternoon, 74 by 1 o'clock this afternoon. And fire danger, a big improvement from the last few days, especially the last week. This weekend, certainly not too bad, but thanks to the humidity, it's definitely a little bit better. But it is non-zero. A lot of the area is within a moderate risk. That's just because of the winds for today. They will be fairly breezy out of the south at around up to about 15, maybe even 20 miles per hour. But again, what's really keeping it at bay is going to be the humidity. That will continue to stay all across this week, and that will translate into a few rain chances into this week as these next few waves come into the picture. As we take a look at our active patterns here coming in our upper levels. Wave number 1 comes in Wednesday. That'll mainly affect areas in Oklahoma and will also affect some of us here in East Texas. There could be a little bit of severe weather associated with that. I'll show you in just a second. And then this second wave, it breaks off and moves off to the south and west, but there will still be enough moisture draw and still enough lift to get some of these storms to actually fire up. And at the very least, we'll see lots of rainfall from this as the moisture continues to come in from the south and west. This is going to be Saturday into Sunday. And again, on Wednesday with that next wave, there could be a couple of strong to even severe thunderstorms. It's a low risk across much of the area, except if you go into some of our northwestern counties and into the Dallas area. That's where you'll have the better chance to maybe see up to about 60-mile-an-hour winds, maybe a low-end hail threat. It's a little bit it's kind of far away to really nail down any of the specific hazards, but just know that there could be a couple of strong storms out there, especially in some of our northwestern counties. It doesn't rule out maybe some of the areas in this green area. This is an isolated risk from severe thunderstorms. It's just going to be a little bit more possible in some of our northwestern counties and into Dallas. Certainly, the underlying thing is going to be rainfall. No matter what kind of severe weather or what kind of weather that we're going to be seeing, it's all going to lead to plenty of rainfall over the next 7 days. Up to 3 inches could be possible over the course of this next 7-day forecast. There will be a ton of opportunity for rain, and we certainly need it because some of us are still within that extreme drought category. A lot of us within a severe drought category, which is still not good. But the worst here, Sulphur Springs over to Mount Pleasant, closer to the I-30 corridor within that extreme drought category. So we certainly need the rain, and luckily we're going to get plenty of it. Here's your look at today. Again, partly cloudy skies. We'll have some mostly cloudy skies for the afternoon. Again, occasional peaks of sunshine, high temperatures in the upper 70s and low 80s. Weather impact alert Wednesday through Friday. There will be a low-end shower chance for Tuesday. That'll turn into the thunderstorms Wednesday through Friday. And we may have to add on Saturday and Sunday too. We'll watch that very closely, but look for a very soggy forecast in the next few days.